Hey, hello. My name is Pushpendra. Once again, I came after so long time and with a very small video, but this is a really great video. I want to start again for my YouTube channel. I hope you will like this video. Here, what I'm going to tell you. So here, as you can see, if I click, then it's animating. And this animation I'm going to achieve with the help of SwiftUI programming language. How can I do this with the very small and with the very basic steps? So first of all, I will take one image and button where I can click and I can see this output. Okay. So now directly I'm coming to the coding, and here you can see this is a very basic project which you can see over here. And here I will add a very small thing, that is I can say button. So here button, I will select this one action, and so inside the action I will just first I will just print, we can say clicked here. Okay, and here what type of things I'm going to take, image with the system name I will give heart. And you seen that Instagram also having the same functionality. If you click on heart, then it will just animate like that, like heart is beating like that, so it will do like that. So here I'm going to make the same thing for you. For just representation, I'm going to make the resizable true, and I'm going to make the frame size frame with width and height, I can say 50, height 50. Okay, so this will be my heart size. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. Now I will run the application and we'll see the output. So here you can see clicked here is printing, but right now there is no animation. How it can be possible? Now I am going to implement the functionality for that, and I'm going to give rendering mode. I'm going to give original. Okay, so if I give that, then we'll see the output once again. So here you can see the red heart. Okay, so it's very beautiful, pretty. Here also you can see the same output. Now the main thing is the animation. Okay, so for animation, if you will see here, we have button style. Now primitive button style, like I can see the border, I can see the borderless, but where is the animation? Okay, so if I click on animation automatic, then you can see over here nothing is happening. But now I have to create the phenomena for that, and it's a very basic thing. I have to create one struct file. I can say scale button style, where I will extend button style. I'm going to create one pre-built function. I can say make body. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, it's a very basic thing. Configuration dot label dot scale effect, and here I'm going to give the scalar size. And before that, what I have to do, configuration dot is pressed, then what will be the scale, let's say 2, else 1. That's it. What is the configuration? So here if you click on the configuration, then it is saying that it's a button style configuration. And if you open into the docs, then here you can see very simple, and I will show you over here. Make body configuration, create a view that represent the body of the button. So you can design any type of button whatever you require with the help of this method. Okay, so UI, Swift UI is really a very sweet programming language which can create a very wonderful design for your mobile application. And here you can see the system calls this method for each button instance in a view hierarchy, where this is a style of the current button. We can say this is a style of the current button. Okay, so let's say I want to make a scalable button style. Now at the place of this I will give scalable button style. Now save, and here is the output. You can see now my animation is there. Now what is the second thing? I have to change the heart with the fill and unfill. Okay, so what I will do here, I already took one state variable. In state variable I'm going to give, I can say is clicked, then heart dot fill, sorry, this will be a question mark, and here I can show heart. This will be double quote. Now let's see the output once again. Oh, again I forgot one more thing. So here I have to use is clicked dot toggle. Okay, so by default this is, we can say, false. Now if I click, it's hidden, where it's went. Okay, I missed that. Here you can say no named of symbol. Okay, because double L. Now again I will run and I will see the output. That's wonder. So here is animation. So you can put any type of animation whatever you required for your view. This is just a small video for starting up again my YouTube channel, because from last 5 to 6 months I was very busy with some other work and some other projects, so I was not able to make a new video. So extremely sorry for my subscriber and my viewers. So but now I will schedule a video anyhow, weekly once. Okay, I will try to keep publishing the video for the new topic, for the new content, for the new programming things into the Swift UI, Swift. So I will parallelly make the video for both of them anytime. Okay, so here now the thing is that it's on your side. If you like a small trick, just please hit on the like button, and if you are not my subscriber, please subscribe this channel for the upcoming and for the latest trendy video on the programming language. Thank you so much, have a great time, bye bye.